Are you tired of cold lunches? Meet Amazon's choice, the stylish lunch crock. It's a game changer. This product highlights highly rated, well-priced items, available for immediate shipping. With over 10,000 global ratings, it's proven popular. Featuring a convenient 20-ounce size, it's perfect for meals and leftovers. The detachable cord allows for easy storage. Plus, its seal and store lid minimizes spills, so you can transport food confidently. The robust design combines modern and vintage aesthetics in Black Licorice. Enjoy the soft touch exterior for added comfort. Maintenance is easy. Both the food container and lid are dishwasher-safe. Rest assured, it's made from safe materials like aluminum and stainless steel. Customers rave about its functionality. They say it keeps food warm, especially hearty leftovers. The 20-ounce capacity is ideal for personal portions. Its versatility shines when reheating soups or chili. The carrying handle adds to its portability, making it great for daily lunches or dinners. To summarize, the lunch crock is effective, stylish, and easy to maintain. Want one for yourself? Visit the product link in the description below. Your purchase helps support our channel. Don't forget, fast delivery is available across all 50 US states. Order today. Please like, share, and subscribe to support us. Your support allows us to keep delivering great content each week. Thank you for joining us.